To get in the mood for today's video, I want you to picture a scenario. Close your eyes if you have to. Ready? Here we go. It's early morning. You're still lying in your bed, swaddled with your warm blanket, resting your head on a plump, fluffy pillow. There's a little sunlight pouring through the gaps of your blinds. You can hear a few birds chirping outside. You feel well rested. You feel comfortable. This is good, you think to yourself. You turn over and reach for the phone on your nightstand. You knew you had the day off, so you didn't bother to set an alarm. You open your phone, and you're glancing through your social media of choice. Perhaps you're scrolling through the various channels of your favorite Dividend Discord server. Maybe you're looking at the weather. Maybe you're searching for all the daily news. All of a sudden, your eyes scan a headline. In your morning days, you don't fully comprehend it. Your mind just reads the words Trump and coronavirus. You begin to scroll further until your brain catches up with your senses. You scroll back. Trump tests positive for coronavirus, the headline reads. You blink a few times and reread the headline. It remains unchanged. You scroll further. Another headline reads, Trump and First Lady test positive for COVID. You scroll further, each headline stating the same thing. You are fully awake now. Your morning daze has shaken off, and the President of the United States does indeed have COVID. So what do? You're an investor after all. You've dumped thousands of dollars into a few dozen stocks. Fear and anxiety start seeping into your thoughts. What's going to happen? How's the market reacting? How are my stocks doing? You frantically switch over to your favorite investing app. The screen is redder than a bowl of tomato soup, and even worse, you don't even have a grilled cheese to enjoy it with. What do you do now? Alright, I think that intro set the mood. How's it going, everybody? PK Investing here. If you haven't already picked up on it, today's video is all about Fomo, the acronym that stands for Fear of Missing Out. FOMO can act in two ways, and for simplicity, I'll refer to them as forwards and backwards FOMO. Forward FOMO is just what the name implies. It's the fear of missing out on something that's up and coming. One day, a stock might just shoot up 8% on some good news, and it seems like literally everyone is getting in on this stock. And you have to buy it now, or else you'll miss out on all these gains, and you just have to buy it right now. Just do it. Buy. That's forward FOMO. Backwards FOMO is similar, but instead of that one stock going up 8%, it drops by 8%. And now you're panicking and wondering when the stock price is going to stop falling, and it just keeps getting more and more red, and it's a bottomless pit, and you're losing all your hard-earned money, and you have to sell it. Forget about locking in a loss. It's only going to get worse. Hurry! Sell! I hope you see the similarity between these two. For starters, both are decisions based not on thinking, but on emotion. When you see a stock go up a lot or go down a lot in the span of a day or maybe even a week, it's natural to get excited. If it goes up, you start imagining all the money you could be making. If it goes down, you start thinking about all the money you just lost. The intro from earlier is a good prelude to backwards FOMO. Something happens to result in a big red day. You start freaking out, and next thing you know, you're selling out of positions and realizing some major losses. But here's the thing. When it comes to FOMO, both forwards and backwards, there's something very important that you have to realize. The big gains and drops that result in FOMO arise from non-company, non-market sources. Jumping back to the intro, Trump catching COVID is a big deal considering he's a sitting US president. But that doesn't really mean anything when you think about the fundamentals of a company, like, say, PepsiCo or 3M. Does McDonald's care if Trump catches COVID? Is it going to impact how their franchises are doing? Is it going to change the Big Mac recipe? No. Fear is powerful, and it makes us act irrationally. I'll admit, it's scary to see all your stocks plummet by a few percent in a single day, but don't let it control you. Give it a day or two. Remain firm, hold your positions, and if you truly believe that stocks only go up, which they do, then buy the dip. Take care, everyone. I hope to speak with you again real soon. I am not a financial advisor. Investing always involves risk. This video was created for entertainment purposes only.